Hi, I'm Cam and I'm here to show you why the Vici is a perfect shop floor measurement system. So at the bottom of the machine we've got some step masters, and what these provide is temperature compensation for the environment around the machine. Every time the component runs, it measures the diameter of these gauges and compensates for any sort of temperature change that may have taken place. As well as those gauges, there is 4 temperature gauges around the machine which compensate for the environment temperature also, as well as a positive airflow introduced within the machine. What this does, it allows any dirt or dust to be kicked out the back of the machine rather than resting on any sensitive components. The machine is built with the shop floor in mind, with items such as the cameras seating well below the machine's surface to stop any sort of accidental damage from any operator use. So the Vici has really been built with the shop floor in mind. It's not a quality lab machine brought out to the shop floor, it is a shop floor measurement machine built for the shop floor.